In physics, rather than saying someone or something, we say a body. The masked ninja and the rack of swords are governed by the same laws and both are referred to as a body. How do you know if motion has occurred? In other words, how do you know if a body has moved?
You know a body has moved because its position in space is no longer the same as it once was. I have moved as I am in a new position in this training hall.
We can imagine one point in space to be a zero position, sometimes called an origin. Let us imagine the center line of the training hall to be the position 0 meters. If the distance between each line on the training hall floor is 1 meter, we can say that the masked ninja is 2 meters from the origin. However, the ninja girl that just arrived is also 2 meters from the origin, yet, she is not at the same location as the masked ninja. She has a different position. Consequently, we do not say that the masked ninja as well as the ninja girl are both at the 2-meter position. Do you know how we distinguish between these two positions?
We say that I am 2 meters to the left of the origin, or if we assume that to the right is positive, then we can say that I am at the negative 2 meters position.
So I am at the location 2 meters to the right of the origin, or at the location positive 2 meters, which is frequently referred to as simply the 2 meters position.
I should point out that I could be at the positive 2 meters position, if we assume that positive positions were to the left of the origin.
Indeed, when it comes to position, the positive or negative aspect of the position value describes a direction from an origin or zeroed position. For example, positive could mean to the right of the origin while negative might mean to the left of the origin. It could also mean up versus down, or east versus west, and so on.
When a change in position occurs, we call that displacement. Observe the masked ninja and his displacement. He moves from the 2 meters position to the 4 meters position.
So his displacement is 2 meters to the right.
In math, the phrase change in can be interpreted as a final value minus an initial value.
So the masked ninja had a displacement of 2 meters, because his final position, 4 meters, minus his initial position, 2 meters, equals 2 meters.
Your displacement is 4 meters. 2 meters minus negative 2 meters is 4 meters. Your displacement was 4 meters to the right of your initial position. Now what is your displacement?
My displacement is negative 3 meters, negative 1 meters minus positive 2 meters. In other words, I am 3 meters in the negative direction of where I was. Nice try, jerk.
Note that both position and displacement can be positive or negative, due to their directional aspect. For these quantities, the positive or negative sign imply direction. Later we will learn more about quantities that possess a directional component, and we will call them vectors. Displacement is one example of a vector. However, that is for another time, especially as the two of you seem intent upon a different lesson.